I am just amazed at the progress that I've been able to make under Sarah's instruction and guidance. I came to her with tendinosis in my shoulders, thinking that it was just a physical issue, and really not even imagining that I could make the kind of progress that I've made with her. But Sarah has helped me to understand all of the underlying emotional and energetic aspects related to injury and to healing. I had absolutely no idea how expansive this yoga therapy is, and what I did was, because I live 5 hours away from her, I did the majority, actually all except 3 sessions virtually. And so it was so convenient, and the benefit of doing it that way is that it just seamlessly, you can do this seamlessly in your lifestyle. I even sat in my van on the road and traveling and did a session with her one time, and it works. So I appreciate the fact that she's so flexible, and yet it doesn't diminish the quality of what she has to offer doing this virtually. Sarah she's just a master at what she does, and she's helped me tremendously. It's just amazing the progress that I've made.